The next section is for any adjustments to income. In box 15, enter educators' expenses up to $250 per taxpayer. In box 16, enter student loan interest paid. In box 17, enter traditional IRA contributions. Generally, the limit is $5,500 per taxpayer. It increases to $6,500 for those over 50. In box 18, enter alimony paid. In box 19, enter amount for qualifying tuition and fees, up to $4,000. If you click the More Info link, it will list the requirements and rules for claiming the tuition and fees deduction. The next section is for itemizing deductions. Most taxpayers take the standard deduction. Generally, only taxpayers who own their own home and pay mortgage interest come out better itemizing deductions. Box A is for medical expenses. B is for state income tax or state sales tax paid. C is for real estate tax. D is for personal property tax. E is for mortgage interest paid. F is for gifts to charity. If it is a non-cash contribution over $500, check the box to indicate this. Box G is for job expenses. If mileage and meals must be calculated, check the box to indicate this. Box H is for all other miscellaneous deductions. Only check the last box if forcing itemized deductions. The software calculates whether to itemize or use the standard deduction, depending on which gives the larger deduction. However, if your client does not qualify for the standard deduction and has to itemize, then you would check the box to indicate this. The next section calculates the client's tax credits. Number 27 calculates education credits. Box A is for qualified expenses when claiming the American Opportunity Credit. If you click the More Info link, it will list the requirements and rules for claiming this credit. Box B is for qualified expenses when claiming the Lifetime Learning Credit. Number 29 calculates the Retirement Savings Credit. This will be box 12 on the client's W-2 if there is a code D or E. Next section concerns taxes. Number 31 is for the repayment amount of the first-time homebuyer credit. Number 38 is for other tax payments made for the tax year that are not reported on the client's income documents. Next section is for the client's state income tax return. Choose the client's resident state. If the client worked in a state that they did not live in, choose the state and click the arrow. Multiple states can be chosen. There are additional forms that can be added to the tax return at the bottom. Once you click Save, the next screen is the tax summary screen. Here you are provided the client's refund estimate before any fee deductions. The next screen is the taxpayer consent screen. You must check this box if the client needs to use bank products to enable fees to be taken from their refund. This final screen is the Estimate Options screen to select how the client would like their refund. The options are Check, collect fees at signing. Direct deposit, collect fees at signing. RT check, the fees are taken from the refund. RT direct deposit, the fees are taken from the refund. Green Dot card, and Walmart direct to cash. The refund amount before fees is listed below this. Then bank and related fees are listed next, and your tax preparation fee amount is highlighted in blue. Any adjustments to tax preparation fees can be made in this last area. All fees are added together and displayed as total fees due. The refund amount that the client is to receive after fees are deducted is at the bottom of the screen. Click Next to fill out the required worksheets to file the client's tax return.